Come on. Come on. Get okay. Yeah.
Just like that one man that had to do it only for 2 years.
Yeah.
Just went all the way through.
Got a dog. Woof woof. Shut up, boy. I'll shoot you.
Hurt for me to play football.
Yeah, it is. It'll probably heal before then. What? Yeah. I know.
Hold on. Can you throw me the football real quick? I need to see something.
I can't. Why did you?
Leslie Young. What?
Football?
What? Leslie Young.
I need you to throw the football.
Come on, Jace.
What did you do? We were out there and then this randomly popped up. Just tie it around your waist.
Okay. I'm not gonna kidnap you. Maybe I will. Hey, at least I got only rations and supplies for us. So we each have 1.5 cheesesteak, peanut butter, canteen cup to drink out of, award mints, and I have, what else? A camera for documentaries. So, yeah. Should be good. If you need a drink, hungry, need medical supplies, any of that, just tell me. I'm on the way. What?
Moved out the way so I don't get.
What?
I have to go back and get to work. I come back and get my
Yes, the cows aren't where our trench is. Let's go. Come on.
One for done building the trench, can we go back to your house so I play the VR?
No. Yeah, let's just walk through the water, you know. Who cares? Yeah, just, you know.
It got colder.
I know. Dang. Alright, let's go. Oh, wait, it's not that bad. We just had to go back to base. Alright, whenever we get there, get in the dugout because we left our rifles. Hopefully they didn't take our trench. They didn't run. Hurry. Come on. Don't get hit. What? I don't know. Remember, it was poking up. That one part of the stick. Get in the dugout. There's nothing wrong, see?
Oh, there we go. Nothing wrong with it.
Come here. Come here. What?
There's something like right there.
Where?
Everywhere.
Come here. Get your rifle. Come here. Why did he leave a bunch of ammo right there? Ow.
Good question.
I know dang well I didn't. Why the freak is this here? Is he inside? No. Okay. I'm gonna go in first.
I don't know. Wesley probably did something too.
Here.
Yeah, that's the other thing.
He died. He tragically got shot. Sadly.
Bam, and he got.
Brah,
Sorry about hearing Wesley getting shot by a sniper rifle in World War II. He gets 5 big booms. Boom,
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 boom, boom.
Alright, well, I'm
Boom.
inside.
Baby.
Yeah, I'm inside of the dugout. It's.
Oh wait, I probably know what it was.
What?
My finger, I shot the gun earlier, and whenever I shot it, my finger got stuck under it, and it like caught the back, and it pinched it.
Alright, well, at least there's more room in the dugout for us. Because he's too fat. And see, we can have some camo on the injury from his uniform, sadly. Actually, we're going to cherish his uniform. We're going to set it right there. We're going to take our supplies, set it there. Yeah, by the way, military is passing out Adidas bags as rucks. So, round of applause to them. Actually, probably room for the bag inside. Here, go in. Go. Hurry. Get your side. Go, go. Yeah, the bag's sitting right there. I don't care. Move your legs. Don't sit like that. Put your legs straight. Straight. See, that's why we didn't have room. I'm just going to sit here and play with this ammo. See, if you would have kept that on, then you could have done this. We're in war again. We're hiding from our friend. Other one died, got shot. Then we have supplies.
Jimmy.
We're inside of our dugout here. You know, pretty comfy. I mean, there's still a lot of room over here, but you know, whatever. Only thing we have holding it up is a stick and a big wooden plank, as you can see. Honestly, they could just throw a grenade from right. Hang on, dang it, right
There.
Yeah, right over there, and right over there in that hole. Be quiet. I hear something. Not that bad. See, we're in the trench, as you can tell. Get down. Got our rifles up there. Got PTSD from hand grenades and explosions. But whatever. What? Yeah, and being shot. Here, take that grenade. I didn't pull the pin. It's okay. Here, you want that bag there for protection, just in case they try to throw grenades?
Now my foot's blocking it.
No, I meant like right here on this big gap.
Yeah.
That's the exit, entry and exit. Keep your foot in. Don't let them see your foot. Lost our vest and stuff and our uniforms due to explosions and stuff, so.
Nobody's ever gonna find that baby again.
No one's ever gonna find the bullet that he stuck in the ground.
Unless they're randomly digging. Wait, hold
Yeah. You wanna go get in a
on.
gunfight
It
now?
was deep
You wanna go
outside.
get in a gunfight now?
Maybe.
I sure do. Cause I wanna waste this medical supplies so I can help you if you get shot. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this. I'll report to y'all. If you see me die in the next scene, I'm sorry, but yeah,
I did.
I'm dead. But bye.